Hello, welcome to how to bring geraniums out from winter storage. At the end of last summer I showed you how to store the geraniums over winter. The first step is to remove the geraniums from the storage box. Don't worry if they look in a sorry state at the moment, they will quickly recover and start growing. You can see here that some of the plants have already tried to start growing. The second step is to get the roots moist again by soaking them in a bowl of water for half an hour. Step 3. Put some compost in a pot. Only fill it about a third the way up. Step 4. After the plants have finished soaking, remove any dead leaves. Step 5. Place the plant in a pot, then surround the roots with compost and press down firmly. Step 6. Give the plant a good watering. Step 7. Keep the plants warm and watered and keep them in a bright place, and within a few weeks they will begin to grow again, and by summer you'll have a beautiful display of flowers. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there's plenty more information on my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.